So, how do you actually get an AI to trust and cite your business? Three things working together. First, schema markup. Machine-readable code embedded on every page that tells AI systems exactly what your business is, what you do, where you do it, who you serve. It's not for humans, it's for AI engines to trust you. A Princeton study found content with expert citations and proper structure gets cited by AI up to 41% more often. 41%! We build that into every page. Second, entity recognition. Your business needs to exist consistently across the web. Google Business Profile, industry directories, review platforms, your own site, all saying the same things. That's how AI systems learn you are real. Third, targeted content. The exact questions your customers are asking AI right now, in your area, in your industry. We research those and build specific answers, not generic blog posts, precise answers to the questions being asked today. And here's the part most agencies miss. This isn't set it and forget it. Every day we're watching what's gaining traction, what competitors got cited for, what AI models are prioritizing, and we update accordingly. Most agencies build your site and move on. We stay in it. If your website isn't working as hard as you are, that's the conversation we want to have. Not a pitch, an honest look at where you are and what's possible in the next 60 days. Links below. 15 minutes. We will tell you if it's a good fit for you or not.